Hi, it's Modesta with Berks County House Buyers. I wanted to do this short video to discuss our process from beginning to end. During our initial phone call, which typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, we'll discuss the property, the condition of the property, what repairs are needed, what your desired outcome is, and what your reason is for selling. Once we've determined if the property is a good fit for us, then we'll schedule a walkthrough. During the walkthrough, which typically takes about 35 to 45 minutes, we'll walk through the property, take pictures, and ask more questions. The pictures will then be submitted to our contractor so that he can take a look at what repairs are needed on the property. After we leave the walkthrough, we'll go back to the office and take a look at what the value of the home is and the repair cost. We will run our numbers so that we can give you a fair cash offer. Once we review our numbers, we will give you a call to discuss the offer and answer any questions you may have. We strive to give sellers multiple options for selling and find a solution that works best for them. If we agree on a price, we will send you an offer agreement. Once the agreement is signed, we will send the paperwork over to our local title company who will begin the process. Just like a regular real estate transaction, the transfer of the property takes place at a title company. The money you've received for the home comes from the title company. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to working with you.